name is Abid Baksh H. Hussain. I am connected to Republican Party of India. From Baba Saheb Ambedkar Party is this. And now Sri Ramdas Athavaleji is the heading of this party. Presently he is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at presently. And apart from that, I am the candidate of this 19th Chepakam Tiruvallur constituency. For this constituency, I am contesting as a candidate for the purpose of needs of the needy people, whatever they require from this constituency. I am talking about this only constituency, not with the whole of Tamil Nadu. Okay, there is a lot of differences and there is a lot of queries regarding the property tax and the drainage taxes and the sewage waters. The people are putting heavy taxes. All the commercial people couldn't able to survive to fulfill their needs. According to that, my base and my query is, if I'll become in a power in this constituency, by the grace of Almighty, I will definitely reduce whatever the charges right now they are paying 100%, I will reduce to 25% only they can pay, and they can run this house very poshly. Instead of spending the money to the government, let them spend the money in his own house. It is my intention. And secondary thing, if I can, after contesting, I will get a good reply with the support of the people of Constitution of Chepakam Tiruvallur. I will come in my way as per the employment. According to the employment, I am willing. It's my intention and it is my ambitious to give jobs to the needy people. If this constituency, after winning also, the government will not support to me, through by my professionality is the industrialist. I have my own industries in Arakonam. I have my automotive industries, glass manufacturing unit. Still it is under construction. In that industries, I will give in my own way. If government fail to give the jobs, 10 to 12,000 people, I will able to give the job in my own factory within a 1.5 year period. The minimum wages is a monthly 15,000 rupees. The smallest worker, it is go up to the 35 to 45,000 also, according to the experience of the people. 15,000 rupees sufficient for the entire employees. They can survive. It is a village. Not only talking about that, I am talking about this constituency area. Particularly this constituency people, whoever is willing to work, I will give a job with the 15,000 rupees of the job rent. And apart from that, whoever willing to get married, whoever is married, whoever is unmarried, it is not accountable in the 3 stages. If I become a member of Legislative Assembly, I will provide them then 1 sovereign of the gold, 8 grams gold, with the support of government. Because everybody can keep the agenda. I am also having the rights to keep the agenda. And based on that, I am providing in my way. Because when the person get happy, then only the city will be happy, constituency will be happy, the growth will be happy. Until unless nothing will be going to develop in the country. Everybody is working for their own needs. The whole government is not thinking about the human nature. They are only thinking about their own houses, their own family, their own development of the future. I am not thinking about anything. Wherever I stay, more than 20 to 40 years, 30 years, I am being here only. My birth is here. I am like a Enga Viti Pillai Madri. I was just contesting this election. I don't have any other intention.